Welcome to CodePass. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to set up Homebrew on your Apple M1 Silicon machine. Head over to brew.sh and then copy the command over here by clicking on the icon on the right and launch your terminal. Paste that in the terminal by pressing Command V, or you can right click and select paste. When done, hit return and you'll be prompted to type in your password. So quickly type in your machine's password, press return, and then to continue the installation you have to press return key again to continue, or you can press any other key to abort. So now we are good to go. This will take a while. Depending on how fast your internet is, it should complete within a few minutes. But if your internet is quite slow, it will make the process like a bit long. So awesome. So you can see my internet speed is somewhere around 1.34 megabytes, and also we are almost done downloading the first file. So the process is actually two. One, it pulls this from, it downloads that, and then the other one is to download the core files. Okay, so we started the next one, which is the Homebrew core, which will be roughly 350 megabytes. Yes, so all right, I think we're almost there now. 80. Yeah, so after this download, you should be able to install Homebrew on the machine, and then we move on to the next step. Awesome. So we are done with that, and it's left with the final part, and then we are good to go. So you can see at the top over here, it's actually falling from Git and then performing some magic at the moment. Perfect. All right, so the installation is successful, but then you can see that we are having a warning which states this is not in your path. So if we try running Brew, it will not work. When you finish installing Brew, you have to actually close this terminal and then relaunch that. So not to close this one, I can relaunch another one so that you can see. So I'm opening a new window, and if I type Brew help, you realize that it's saying that command not found. It means this particular we don't have Brew added to our path. So in order to add Brew to your path, look at this at the top over here. We are going to edit this configuration file. So you highlight this from the z.z profile, copy that, and then you can use any of your favorite code editor. I would prefer to use Code. You can use Nano, you can use Vim. So in this tutorial, I'll be making use of Code. So when you paste that, all you have to do now is to hit enter. It quickly launches your VS Code for you. All right, so as you can see, I already have some few paths of applications such as VS Code. So we can actually add another one, which will be our Homebrew. So you can decide to type this. So you start with the hash, which is comment, and then maybe setting path for Homebrew, and then you come down. Then the next thing you do is to type export path equal to this, and then the $sign, then the path, and you bring this. All right, so we copied this over here. Oops, copy this and then come here and then paste it there. That's all. That's all you need to do over here. When you're done, there's Control S to save the file, and now we should be good to go. So when I launch a new terminal and I type in brew help, we should see that brew is ready, and we can use brew in downloading other applications on our machines. So you can see brew install git that flow, and we should expect it to download that for us. Yeah, so you should be able to download that file. So you can see it's downloading the git flow, and hooray, we successfully installed git flow on our machine. So that is all for this tutorial, and thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and see you in another tutorial. Bye.